గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ ఎవ్రీవన్. ఇట్స్ మండే టుడే. సో ఈరోజు ఏంటంటే వర్క్తో పాటు ఒక మేనేజర్ ఎవరితో అయితే నేను ప్రీవియస్గా కలిసి వర్క్ చేశానో తను ఒక ఇల్లు కొన్నారు. సో హీ కాల్డ్ అస్, మీ అండ్ దీపికా విల్ బి గోయింగ్ ఫర్ అరౌండ్ 2 hours. సో బిఫోర్ దట్ ఐ హావ్ టు స్టార్ట్ మై డే. కొంచెం పని చేసి ఐ విల్ టేక్ 2 hours ఆఫ్ పర్మిషన్ and then go meet them and come back. Sometimes it's really important, right, to balance work with family and friends. And one more thing is, earlier days lopala women used to wake up first and they used to wake the people at home. But now, in our case, I have to wake her up. Good morning. So I was talking about in our case I'll have to wake up at daily morning and wake her up, and then she'll get ready. Is it the same for everyone? So earlier I was talking about waking up my wife. Guys, if you also do it, just comment down the cutest ways to wake up your wife. I'll tell you how I wake her up. Chalo auto, it's 9 o'clock, just like in the railway station they push you, chalo bhaiya aage chalo. That's how I wake her up sometimes. And so finally I just got quickly ready. I have to attend a call right now. I'll tell them my status about the work. So this is my breakfast. It's fruits and nuts. I usually like to start my day with this, and I'll have this while I'm on my office call and then get ready. I even have to purchase some gifts on the way and then go. Let's start the day. So we are ready, heading off for the day. Took 2 hours permission?
Yeah,
It will take 3 hours. Then how?
it will not take.
So I was telling about the office thing, right? My office lo katanu untadu. He's from Bangalore. Whenever we have calls, ela maatladtadu ayana. First like, hey Niket, how are you? How is your day going? Chalo, what we gonna take up this task today? Etla cheddam anesi. No matter how your mood is, when somebody talks to you like that, it'll elevate the mood. It'll be really good. And one more thing, what do you think about that? The Miss Universe today?
It's great.
I think she was a Punjabi girl, right? You said?
I'm not quite sure. Maybe.
Harnaz Sandhu,
Yeah.
Miss Universe 2021.
Nice. After 21 years, it seems. Yeah.
After Sushmita Sen and Lara Datta, now she's the one.
Yep.
It's nice. So we are here at a home store, a Shoppers Stop, to pick some gift for the new house inauguration. Not sure what to do, which one to pick. I'm thinking of the wall clocks. These are the ones. We decided to go with this for the housewarming ceremony. Hope this is good. Hope they like it. So finally we took a gift. I forgot my mask, so going with the traditional method of many Indians of having the hanky up. Because of the work from home, look at the roads. So amazing. Still there's no much traffic here in Hyderabad. Okay, we are heading back home now. We're done with the housewarming ceremony, and we'll have to go back and log in again. I thought we'll buy some veggies on the way, but there's no time left. So evening I'll have to come for the veggies. 30 and I'm going to gym right now. Try to finish my work. So this is our gym. finally got some time to make to the gym. Ee roju I'll be doing shoulders. Yesterday I did biceps, so today I'll do shoulders and back. This is the combination I go with, followed by a cardio for 20 minutes. Let's begin. This is the cardio place. I'll be doing 20 minutes of cardio after the back and the shoulder workout. Over, I think I'm done with the gym for today. To go take a shower, eat some good food. I have to work a little bit more. So 2 hours I'll work and I'll sleep. So that's it for the day, guys. Good night.